Hello students and friends, आपण मानकु हमर चैनल इलाइट क्लासेस को आउ थर स्वागत करछि। धन्यवाद ज्ञापन करछि। आपण माने हमर क्लास को मैथमेटिक्स क्लास को देखुचंती सेति बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। आमे पूर्व क्लास रे मैट्रिसेस रो केते गुडी प्रॉब्लम एग्जांपल रे सॉल्व करथिले। आउ केते गुडी बाकी रहिछि एग्जांपल जोडा के मु बुझाई देबी आपन को कौन से असुविधा भोग करे पड़िबो नै, जा फल कि आपण परीक्षा रे कौन सी प्रॉब्लम फेस करिवे नै। गोटे एग्जांपल हम नबा, फाइंड द वैल्यूज ऑफ x y z t, फाइंड द वैल्यूज ऑफ x y z and t where the two matrices are equal, that is x plus y, y minus z, 5 minus t, 7 plus x is equal to t minus x, z minus t, z minus y, x plus z plus t. Clear? We are going to solve by the law of equality of matrices. We will get z 7 plus x is equal to x plus z plus t. Clear? 7 plus x is equal to x plus z plus t by the law of equality of matrices. So by cancelling x in both the sides, we have z plus t is equal to 7. This implies t is equal to 7 minus z. Clear? I mean t रो value पाइले 7 minus z. Then by the law of equality of matrices, we have again 5 minus t is equal to z minus y. Putting the value of t, we have 5 minus 7 minus z is equal to z minus y. Clear? This implies 5 minus 7 plus z is equal to z minus y. By cancelling z, we have minus 2 is equal to minus y. This implies y is equal to 2. We have got y is equal to 2. Then we have now y minus z is equal to z minus t. Clear? Putting the value of y, 2 minus z is equal to z minus, then putting the value of t, 7 minus z. This implies 2 minus z is equal to z minus 7 plus z. And we have 2 minus z is equal to 2z minus 7 और 2 plus 7 is equal to 2z plus z और 3z is equal to 9 gives rise to z is equal to 9 by 3 is equal to 3. So we have z is equal to 3. Then t is equal to 7 minus of z is equal to 7 minus of 3 is equal to 4. So we have got the value of t now. Then x plus y is equal to t minus of x और x plus x is equal to t minus of y और 2x is equal to value of t which is 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 and x is equal to 2 by 2 is equal to 1. So all the four values we have got. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 3 and t is equal to 4. This is our solution. Clear? ମୁଁ ଭାବୁଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଆଉ ଡାଉଟ୍ ନଥିବ ଏକୁ ସଲ୍ଭ କରିବା କ୍ଷେତ୍ରରେ। ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆମେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲକୁ ଯିବା। Next example 4. If a is equal to 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 2, come in. Zero, 0, 1. Then find the value of a cube minus a square plus I3. Find the value of a cube minus a square plus I3. Here I3 means the order of I is equal to 3. Since I is identical matrix, so I3 is equal to order of 3. Now we have a cube is equal to a square into a and a square is equal to a into a. 0, 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 2, 0, 0, 1 into 0, 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 2, 0, 0, 1. So multiplying a into a, we have first row, first column कहथि previous class रे कहथि आपण मानकू 0 into 0 is equal to 0, 1 into minus 1, 0 into 0 plus 0. Then first row, second column, multiplying first row into second column, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 0, 0 into 0, 0. Then first row, third column, 0 into 0, 0, 1 into 2 plus 2, 0 into 1, 0. Then second row, first column, minus 1 into 0, 0, 0 into minus 1, 0, 2 into 0, 0. Then minus 1 into 1, minus 1 into 1, minus 1, 0 into 0, 0, 2 into 0, 0. Then minus 1 into 0, 0, plus 0 into 2, 0, 2 into 1 plus 2. Then 0 into third row, first column, 0 into 0, 0, plus 0, plus 0. Then 0 into 1, 0, 0 into 0, 0, 1 into 0, 0. 0 into 0, 0, plus 0, plus 1. Clear? This is our a square. And by simplifying, minus 1, 0, 2, 0, minus 1, 2, 0, 0, 1. Clear? Again, a cube. What is a cube? What is a cube? Then a cube is equal to a square into a. A square means we have got a square minus 1, 0, 2, 0, minus 1, 2, 0, 0, 1. And into a, what is a? A 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 2, and a 0, 0, 1. So in the similar process, we can multiply minus 1 to 0, 0, 0 into minus 1 plus 0, plus 0. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1, 0 into 0, 0, 2 into 0, 0. Minus 1 into 0, 0, plus 0, plus 2. Again, second row, first column, 0, plus 1, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, 2 into 0, 0. Then second row, second column, 0, plus 0, plus 0. Then second row, third column, 0, plus minus 2, plus 2. Then third row, first column, 0, plus 0, plus 0. And a 0, plus 0, plus 0. Then 0, plus 0, plus 1. This is our a cube. So by simplifying, we have got 0, minus 1, 2, 1, 0, by cancelling 0, 0, 0, 1. Clear? This is our a cube. Clear? Now, a cube minus a square plus I3. This is a square. This is a square. This is a cube. A square, a cube, and I is equal to now a cube minus a square plus I3. That means a cube we have got 0, minus 1, 2, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Clear? Minus a square, minus 1, 0, 2, 0, minus 1, 2, and 0, 0, 1, plus I3. I3 means I is an identical matrix of order 3. I3 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So we by simplifying by the law of matrices, 0 minus 1 is equal to 1, minus 1 minus 0 is equal to minus 1, 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, 1 minus 0 is equal to 1, 0 minus 1 plus 1, 0 minus 2 minus 2, 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0, 1 minus 1 plus 0, plus 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Then by adding 1 plus 1 2, minus 1 plus 0 minus 1, 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 0 है 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, minus 2 plus 0 minus 2, 0 plus 0 0, 0 and 1. This is our result. This is our result. Clear? बर्तमान आउ गोटे एग्जांपल के आमे जिबा. So example, next example, transform the following system of equations. Transform the following, transform the system of equation to a single equation using matrices. So the equations are first 2x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0, equation number 1, and 3x plus 5y minus 7 is equal to 0, equation number 2. Clear? So from I we have 2x plus 3y is equal to 5, and from 2i we have 3x plus 5y is equal to 7. Taking the matrices of coefficient, let A is equal to 2, 3, 3, 5. So this is the matrix of coefficients, and the matrix of variables, let A is the matrix of coefficients. Again, let X be the matrix of variables, that is the X, Y is the matrix of variables. Clear? And in the RHS, let B is equal to 5, 7 is the matrix of constant, is the matrix of constants. Now we can arrange a, x and b in the form. We can arrange a, x, b in the form. We can arrange a, x and b in the form ax is equal to b, which is a single equation of matrices. Ax is equal to b. Clear? Similarly, we can write another equation. Suppose 3x plus 3x minus y, 3x minus y plus z is equal to 6, x plus 2y plus z is equal to 1, 2x plus 7y plus 5z is equal to 5. So we can write equation number 1, 2 and 3, and here A is equal to the matrix of coefficients. A is equal to 3 minus 1 1 1 2 1 2 7 5, and the matrix of variables x is equal to x y z, and the matrix of a constant b is equal to, in the RHS, 6 1 5. Now we can arrange ax b in a single equation. We can write a x is equal to b. Clear? ए बेला पर हमें जते गुडे इक्वेशन थिबो हमें ताको ए फॉर्म को आनी परिबा. नाउ आ गोटे एग्जांपल रहिला हमरो गोटे प्रॉब्लम को रहिछि. सपोज द टोटल इन्वेस्टमेंट इन फार्मिंग and business by two persons P1 and P2. P1 and P2 are two persons, and they invest in farming and business 10 lakhs and 15 lakhs respectively. P1 invests 10 lakhs, P1 invests 10 lakhs in farming and business. In farming and business, both farming and business, P invests 10 lakhs. P1, sorry. P2 invests 15 lakhs in farming and business. And in two sectors, they yield profit annually at the rate of 20% and 25% respectively. P1, the rate of interest in profit, P1 20% and P2 has got 25% annually. Annually, P1 got 20% and P2 got interest 25%. And we have to determine how can they divide their investments in the respective sectors so as to get total annual profit 2.3 lakhs and 3.5 lakhs. P1 gets 2.3 lakhs and P2 has got 3.5 lakhs. आउथर बुझे दूची P1 and P2 are two persons. P1 invests 10 lakhs in farming and business. Also P2 invests 15 lakhs. P1 10 lakhs and P2 15 lakhs. They invest 10 lakhs and 15 lakhs respectively. And P1 has got the profit 20% and P2 has got 25% annually. And at the end, the total annual profit is 2.3 lakhs and 3.5 lakhs respectively. Now, we have to find out how can they determine their investment? How can they divide their investments, the total profit? Now, let us take P1. Let P1 invests X and P2 invests Y in their sectors. Let P1 invests the amount X and P2 invests the amount Y in farming. So P1 invests in the business is equal to 10 minus X lakhs. P1 invests 10 lakhs in farming, both farming and business. If X is the investment in farming, then in business 10 minus X, and P2 invests in the business is equal to 15 minus Y lakhs. Clear? So the investment matrix is, so the investment matrix is equal to X 10 minus X, Y 15 minus Y. Suppose here A, and the profit matrix B is equal to 20% and 25%. So multiplying A and B, we have multiplying A and B, we have AB is equal to X 10 minus X, Y 15 minus Y into 20%, 25%. We have X into 20% plus 10 minus X into 25% and y into 20% plus 15 minus y into 25% is equal to 2.3 and 3.5 is equal to 2.3 and 3.5. So by solving, we have x into 20% plus 10 minus x into 25% is equal to 2.3. Gives rise to x by 20x by 100 plus 10 minus x, 25 into 10 minus x by 100 is equal to 23 by 10. This implies 20x plus 250 minus 25x is equal to 23 by 10 into 100, or minus 5x plus 250 is equal to 230. This implies minus 5x is equal to 230 minus 250 is equal to minus 20. This implies x is equal to minus 20 by minus 5 is equal to 4. So P1 invests in farming 4 lakhs and in business. So P1 invests in farming 4 lakhs and in business 10 minus 4 is equal to 6 lakhs. Similarly, by simplifying the investment of P2, by simplifying the investment of P2, we have 20 y by 100 plus 25 into 15 minus y by 100 is equal to 35 by 10. And by simplifying 20y plus 375 minus 25y is equal to 35 by 10 into 100, and minus 5y plus 375 is equal to 350, or minus 5y is equal to 350 minus 375 is equal to minus 25. This implies y is equal to minus 25 by minus 5 is equal to 5. That is P2 invests in farming. So P2 invests in farming 5 lakhs and in business sector 15 minus 5 is equal to 10 lakhs. So this is the result we have got. आम बर्तमान मैट्रिसेस सब एग्जाम्पल गुड़िक 4 ईयर पूर्व जो एग्जाम्पल था डिस्कस कले आमर परवर्ती क्लास रे आमे से चैप्टर थिबा इंपोर्टेंट अंक गुड़िक डिस्कसन करवा. आपन को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. आपण माने आमर यूट्यूब चैनल को देखिथिबारु आपनको निवेदन आमर चैनल को लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करेंगे एवं कमेंट्स माध्यम यदि किसी त्रुटि थाए बा एनी सजेशन थाए तार जणेबे से बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू।